In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how to display page number on Paperwhite SE. In order to display page number on Kindle Paperwhite series, you simply want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. By default, all Kindle shows locations instead of page number to tell you where you are in the book manuscript. Now, Kindles use a location number because of different font size which affect page number. However, they're not always helpful for user. Now here what you have to do is to get the page number. Open the Kindle, tap the book that you're reading. Next, you simply want to click on or tap the part of the screen and tap on a icon in the top of the screen. As you do it so, then tap on the more option from there, and once you do it so, tap on location and bookmark. As you click on the option, then you have this option as page number in or book page number in book, and your Kindle will now display which page number you're on. So this is how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.